One of the secrets, if you want to call it that, to making the best possible wood hinge is doing it such that you cannot see the hinge until you open the lid. So what does that entail? Well, that's a dowel that gets cut into segments, drilled into the end of each one with a 1/4 inch or so piece of 1/16 inch welding rod in between each section. And before you cut your dowel, you draw a line on there, so when you put it back together, everything lines up. However, how are you going to cut the dowel? I started off doing it on a table saw, but you would lose 1/8 of an inch in between each one, and oftentimes it would be just enough to throw the grain off. So, came up with a better solution. Using my crosscut saw, so now you're talking about a 24 thousandths of an inch kerf. That's a little less than 5 sheets of writing paper. And we make this bench hook so that you can do 1/4 inch dowel or 3/8 inch dowel, which would be the two most popular sizes, right hand, left hand. And because there's a groove set in there, when you put your dowel in and push it into that groove and make the cut, it supports the wood fiber on the back side so that you don't end up getting tear out. Now the gap between the two pieces is the same thickness as the saw curve. So now when you look at that, you don't have that tear out, which means you don't lose anything. Put that back together and the joint line can almost disappear. There you go.